guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to quickly show you how you can take the colored sand from Dollar Tree to create this beautiful framed art. If you're interested in seeing how I do it, keep watching. Recently in Dollar Tree, I saw this sign that says Dream, and it's actually a white frame with glass in the middle, and it has Dream on the inside. I thought this was so cute. I'm going to be using this as well as a 11, hopefully you can see this is 11 by 14 piece of glass that I had from another project that I've done. And I'm going to be using sand, and I got this from Michael's. You can also find this at Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree just didn't have it. So this was $1.99. And I'm going to use black, white, and blue, and this is from the Dollar Tree, these two. They have other colors at the Dollar Tree as well. And E6000 glue. So the first thing you want to do is just take the sign and flip it over so that the words read in reverse. Place that down. So being that I like black and white, I'm going to, actually I'm just going to use the black and white. Sorry guys. But they have different colors if you like to use other colors. So what I'm gonna do is just place white sand on half of the frame, on the inside of the frame. You don't want to put a whole lot, but enough. I don't even know how to describe it. And then on the opposite side, you want to put black. Let's see if you like black and white like I do. And I'm just gonna mix it in a little bit and flatten it out. Next, I'm going to place E6000 around the top of the frame. And you don't want to miss any areas. And then finally placing the piece of glass on top and making sure it's centered. And you're gonna let that dry a couple hours. And that's it, guys. Now, wasn't that quick and easy? Can you believe it only cost me $4? Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you check out all of my videos and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I did, hit the like button too and share it with everyone. If you're on Instagram or Facebook, please be sure to stop by and say hello. I'm at Designs by Trisha on Instagram and at I'm Trisha JA on Facebook.